Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you our review of the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. First, let's take a look at what comes in the box. We have the air fryer itself, 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie oven spit, a retrieval tool, and a drip tray. Now, let's talk about the features of this air fryer. It has a 10-liter capacity, perfect for family-size meals. The digital touchscreen display makes it easy to navigate and select from 12 preset options. You can air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast with ease. Here are some pros and cons to consider. Pros: versatile cooking options, easy to use and clean, inner light option, healthy cooking with minimal oil, large capacity for family meals. Cons: large size may take up counter space. Some users may find the interface overwhelming. Overall, we're impressed with the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Its versatility, ease of use, and healthy cooking options make it a great addition to any kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing this air fryer, click the link in our description box below. We earn a commission from affiliate sales, which helps support our channel. Thanks for watching our review of the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and kitchen essentials.